guys, introducing my silicone gel eye patches. Amazing. It's super duper thin. Okay, as you can see, look, the eye patches are really thin. I'm going to turn it over. And what I love about it is, see, the top part, it's not like any material. It's more like it's really smooth and you can write on it and it's super duper white and flat. The material is different, you guys. Okay, let me show you. Oh, you guys, it's sticky AF. Look at that. So it's super thin, but it's really, look. Oh, look at that. You can just hear it. See how tacky and sticky? And then you could do that over and over again and it won't lose its stickiness or tackiness. But it's so gentle when you remove it from the skin. It will not tug, it will not pull, it will not hurt the client. And that's the difference. Look at that. Ooh, look at how, look, it flows. Look at how soft it is. It moves so that, you know, you don't even, if you use this silicone gel, you might not even have to use, you don't have to tape down, because watch, when I apply it, I'm gonna curve it to the curvature of her under eye and it's gonna align with her under eye. So you don't have to tape it. You know, the reason why you tape is because the eye patches cannot cover, you know, the whole entire lower lash line, and you have like some lower lashes sticking out and you have to hold it down extra with tape. But this one, you can just hold it down with this. Look at that, you guys, watch. Oh, wow. Wow, wow, wow. All right, you guys, so you see, after all this, it's still gonna stick to her under eye. I'm gonna show you how to apply it. And okay, open your eyes, Kimberly. Okay, watch this, you guys, watch this. So with this, it's so, you can move, look, I can go close to the waterline and I can adjust, see? I can adjust the eye patches to go along the waterline. Look at that. Oh my God. Look at how it covers her whole lid and it will not seep up because it holds it down so well. Okay, close. Not a single lash. Look at that. How does that feel?
It feels really good.
Is it lifting up into your eye? Do you feel it in your eyeball or anything?
No.
No. Okay guys, so this is hydrogel eye patches, okay? Look at over here, my silicone eye patches. You see how I bent it and all that, but it still hugs to the under eye and it still hugs, look at that, without crinkling, without lifting. All right, let me give you an example. Now I'm gonna apply the hydrogel eye patches and let me show you that it cannot do what the silicone eye patches does. Okay, open your eyes for me. Okay, watch this, you guys. So I'm gonna go in and I'm just going to try to bend it. Okay, all right. Okay, look, you see that lifting right there? Because the hydrogel, it's not sturdy enough, it's not tacky enough. And then when I go like this, see, look, close your eyes. When I try to do that, that's why you have to tape down, because you got this. See, it's not flexible enough like me to, to stick to the skin. Look at that. All right, so what happens is a lot of times, right, you gotta go in and you gotta cut it. That's why there are eye patches that, you know, that is already cut so that it can, see, it can fit and it doesn't lift up. But why do all that when you got the silicone gel? Look, see, and then look, oh, see, it doesn't stay put. Look at that, it's already moving. But watch this, open, nothing, you guys. Look, open. Hydrogel, that's why you have to really go in, and when I apply hydrogel, I gotta do like this, see? So, and then I gotta tape the corner because it didn't get this part, you know what I'm saying? Okay, close. So when this is why you have to tape down, right? Okay, let me show you the tape down and why you gotta tape down, but why do all that when you don't have to? This eliminates the tape down process, you guys. So like, time is money, so let's not waste time, because clients, man, they be coming late. You guys, they got a ton of excuses, right? I'm late, they're always late. They always come in with dirty ass lashes. So so you want to concentrate on cleaning the lashes instead of taping down. Okay, open. All right, you see this? Now, the reason why you got to tape is because your hydrogel eye patches are not allowing you, or not holding the natural lashes down. So this is what you have to do. So this is why you have to, see? This is why you tape down. Okay, close. See? And wow, do you want this? Look, you did all that, you did all the tape. Or look, this is still, while I'm moving around, this is not going anywhere. Look at that. Look at compare to the cleanliness, the time that you save, and it's so clean. The tape, see, has texture. So when you write, oh my God, it's just a hot mess, you guys. So do you want this? Or do you want this? So silicone gel eye patches are better than hydrogel eye patches. But let me tell you what hydrogel eye patches are good for when you are doing a layering look. If you are taping or taping back the lashes, but it's not actually taping back. You are just pulling back the lashes. So you can go in, see this, you guys? You can go in and start lashing. See your bottom lashes? It's really good because look, it's not sticky enough, right? So when you see, it doesn't have enough tackiness to pull the lash extensions. So this is really good for if you're doing this hydrogel, you guys. It has no tackiness. So look, bam, look at that. I can go like this. Like, see? Wow. So that's what it's good for, I think. Silicone gel eye patch is great for also, look, taping down, holding down. Look at that. Ooh, the lash extensions, bitch. Okay, let's remove it. So when I remove it, see that, you guys? It's not pulling out any lashes or brows. Wow, but it holds it down. Guys, so I hope that you guys enjoyed my tutorial on my silicone gel eye patches compared to regular eye patches. Which one, who's gonna know? You are. Amazing, guys. Go out and get it. My new silicone gel eye patches, they're amazing. Go get it and make sure that you subscribe to my YouTube. Turn on your notifications because I got so many new products coming, and leave a comment because I'm gonna pick a winner to get free silicone eye patches. Yes, see you guys next time. I love you.